Good morning, this is Elliot here at DOS Trucks with another walk around video. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all of our available inventory as we list it. Our phone number and website are in the description. Today we've got a 2019 Ford E-350 with a 16-foot box. Got some nice tires on here. A lot of tread left on these. Box is in great condition. Nice rear tires as well. This truck does have dual rear wheels with a 176-inch wheelbase. This truck has a ramp on the back. It's a pull-out ramp. Inside of the box in pretty good condition as well. Truck's looking great. Now taking a look inside the cab. This truck's been thoroughly detailed inside and out. Seats are in great condition, no rips or tears. Go ahead and turn this thing on. This particular Ford has 92,639 miles. As you can see, no lights on the dash. Heat is working great. Let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. This Ford comes equipped with a Triton 6.8 liter V10 engine, 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission. This truck is looking and running great, and it's ready to get to work. And there you have it, a 2019 Ford E-350 with a 16-foot box and a ramp. 6.8 liter V10 engine, automatic transmission. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.